Hi, my name's Mark Frampton. I'm the Operations Manager at Luisetti Seeds. Luisetti Seeds was started in 1932 based in Rangiora. In 2009, we purchased this site here in Ashburton and have developed and invested heavily in this area, which is the heart of seed processing and growing in New Zealand. One of our main products was ryegrass, which is particularly bulky, and when we saw the Verbruggen machine operating, we quickly determined that it was going to be ideal for our purposes. Our VPM8 Verbruggen machine is capable of up to 19 bags per minute, and currently we're working with a semi-automated pack-off system, which we're doing around 5 to 6 bags per minute. Our guys can't keep up with it. One of the main advantages for us was how straight and square and tidy the pallets are. We'd investigated robot stacking automation previously, and it simply couldn't cut the mustard compared to human stacking. But the Verbruggen machine, it can stack better than a human. It's a wonderful piece of the machinery. I would 100% recommend Verbruggen Palletizing Machine. It's been an absolute game changer for our business in terms of helping to maximise our productivity, our storage area and throughput through the machines. There's been a lot of intangible advantages to a Verbruggen machine that exceeded our initial expectations and return on investment calculations. It's a wonderful piece of machinery.